Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm filming at my home away from home at Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana. And I came here, drug all the equipment out here to take a look at this. Every time you see a box from Wilson Combat, you know there's something special inside of the box, but it may not be exactly what you may be thinking. It's not your regular Wilson Combat 1911 or one of the famous Beretta 92s that they work on. But as of recent, and recent I mean in terms of company history, they haven't been doing it for too long, they started working on striker-fired pistols on 6 hours as well as on Glocks. What we're going to be taking a look at today is a Glock 19 by Wilson Combat. It arrives in a cardboard box like this. And you open it up and see if I can do this without bumping tripods and lights and all that. It's always challenging where you're not at your normal location. It arrives, you got the normal Glock case, and they include some Wilson Combat gun oil. And when you open the box, like I said, regular Glock box. We'll take a look at this in a second. But you get your normal paperwork from Glock, your normal cleaning brushes, and anything you need to do quick maintenance of the pistol. You get three mags. You get the regular Gen 5. It's a Gen 5 Glock. You get the regular Gen 5 accessories, 3 mags, and we'll go over as well. So let me get all this out of the way, take the gun out of the box, and be right with you. As I put this aside, and like I said, it comes with 3 mags, and the gun has been safety checked. As I try to keep things in frame here. And here we go. So the Glock 19 Gen 5, and from Wilson Combat, you can get, you can really customize it to your heart's content. You'll see some of them that have on the grip that they'll have the Sunburst logo that they're very famous for, a pattern which they're very famous for on their grips. This one is actually the Vickers Tactical Edition. And you can see the Vickers Tactical emblem here, and you also will see it at the bottom of the magwell. See, the light is playing nice. There you go. So you see the magwell. It's in a regular Glock 19 mags, so you got your 15 round capacity mags. And the base plate is really nice. It is a polymer base plate, but it does have the grooves here on the side, indentations. See if the light is catching that. You see the indentations there on the side with texture in case you needed to strip a mag out. I'm sorry, the focus is not catching up on me, but you got a nice place to grab it here. So very nice on the mag that they put in there. And starting to look at the pistol from the top down, you have your regular Glock 19 Gen 5 slide. You got your serrations. It doesn't look like they did much with that. And other models that I've seen from Wilson Combat, they do a little bit different patterns or design on the serrations. It doesn't seem like on the Vickers they did. You got very nice sights, which are the Vickers sights. You can see here. See if I can keep that into focus there. Get you a little bit closer. There you go. So it's got a nice, very nice sight picture with a fiber optic front. You can get a green or red. This one, of course, came with green. You got an all blacked out U-notch sight in the rear. Pyramid shape. It really helps guide your eyes into that front sight. And looking at the top of the slide, you're going to see that it's also serrated. It's got some nice slide serrations, and the sight on top here, if I can get that again to catch the focus, you'll see that it's got the Wilson Combat logo. So you got some nice slide serrations up here, try to reduce the glare, and nothing else has been done to the barrel as far as I can see. I mean the slide. Moving down a little bit towards the grip, you've got the normal Glock 19 slide stop slide release, whichever way you want to use it. But it seems to be just the regular Glock. It's not the extended or anything special. You do have an extended mag release, and of course it's going to work very well, like the Glock 19s do. So that works very well. A little bit further up, as we move forward on the pistol, you're going to see that we do have also, with the same pattern that you see back here on the grip, you have it on the landing pads, the memory areas, where you can put your fingers, where, you know, when you index your gun up here, and when you go with your thumb, your support hand. So that does very well. It's a nice touch. It's got the Wilson Combat logo right there. And that carries over on the other side as well with the Wilson Combat logo there. The mag release, of course, is reversible. It's not ambi, but it is reversible. Coming into the trigger well, it is the normal Glock 19 trigger well, but they did put some nice serrations in the front. You got some texture up front for those of you that prefer to wrap your finger around the front of the trigger guard. But it's nice and ample, as it always is. And the trigger shoe is different, as you can see, than you will have on a regular Glock 19. The safety lever in the middle absolutely and completely disappears into the trigger shoe, as you see here. I'm trying to do this around the tripod. There you go. See, the focus is catching up with me here. There it is. So very nice. It also comes, they did a nice polished job inside of the pistol as well. And it comes with a 3.5 pound connector from Wilson Combat, giving it a very nice feel to it. You push, you got a little bit of take up right there, and then you do hit a wall. You just push through it a little bit, and a nice crisp break, as always. See if I can do this like this around the camera. You go, you're at the wall, breaks, and then your reset is going to be right there. And very nice. And then you're immediately on the wall. There's no take up, there's no slack, nothing. It's just you're on it and it breaks. Let me show you that again. And there we are. So very nice overall. I like the feel of this. It's still a Glock, but I like the way it feels. They didn't do anything in the back to the base plate. The texture in the back of the grip is the same. Nothing's changed there. They didn't carry the texture over. That would have been a very nice touch. The front also remains the same. There's no additional Wilson Combat texture in the front or in the rear on this particular model. Again, with Wilson Combat, you can customize it to your heart's content, but this is the Vickers model, and it does not. It does have a plug back here in the rear. That didn't sound too good. Anyway, carry on, get your minds out of the gutter, but it's got a plug right here, and it's got the Vickers logo as well. So overall, it feels very good. The grip has been completely redesigned. It's been reshaped. You can see it's got the indentations here, if the camera is catching it. Right there, it's got a nice indentation, a little hump here. And it's got it on both sides. So it really gets your hand, if you want to put it down here, it really molds to your hand well. If you wanted to shoot this one-handed, I mean, good Lord, it just fits perfect right there. And then it's a really nice place for your support hand to go and grip. Much better grip. No finger grooves in the front, but much better grip than you would find on a normal Glock 19 grip. So inside, I'm not going to take it apart. It's not mine yet. I don't know if it's going home with me or not. That's what I said both with a SIG P320 AXG Scorpion when I came here to film it, and it went home with me. And the same thing I said with a Walther PDP when I came here to film it, and it went home with me. So I don't know if this one's going to go home with me or not, but it's very nice. So I'm not going to take it apart. You're not going to see anything different than any other Glock, except if you were to take a look at the connector. Now, here's what we're looking at. This is the price tag. So $1,599.99, $1,600 for this Glock from Wilson Combat. Is it worth it? I'd like to hear from you in the comments. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? It's one of those things that you want to, can you afford a Bentley? Can you afford a Chevy? You want a regular Glock for $500, $600? That's your Chevy. You want a Bentley? This might be it. You know, it depends on where you place value. It feels really nice. I mean, everything, once you start, right now the Glocks, they're selling them out there, I think they're listing for high 500s, low $600. So do you see $1,000 worth of value here? Well, maybe. If you start adding $150 on a trigger, you start adding $200 on the stippling job, base plates on the mags, sights, you could be getting close to $1,000. Some of the Glocks that I featured on my channel, like the Glock 19X that I did, I definitely had about $1,700, $1,800 worth of upgrades to that pistol. So it's up to you. Here you buy it, it's all ready. So there it is, Glock 19 Wilson Combat Vickers Edition. What do you think of it? I'd like to hear your thoughts. And until the next one, please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning, and I'm very active on Instagram, where you can see most of the time what's coming onto the channel before it ever hits YouTube. Thank you very much for stopping by, and until the next time, God bless.